this is day 10 for me. I have had all the energy that I needed. It's been kind of a long day. Here on the sofa under an electric blanket because I'm cold, and I will continue to be cold. But whenever I'm in bed, I'm nice and warm. I wake up nice and warm, and with an electric blanket, and with hot water bottles. All these things are your friend when you're fasting in the winter. So yeah, I've been getting on okay. I made today. I made some food for my mom and for my brother and his wife tomorrow. So I made like a I don't know, I guess it's sort of a vegetable stew with potatoes and cabbage and onions, carrots, cauliflower, all that stuff. So it smells delicious. And one of the things that I miss when I'm fasting is just I miss food. And I find that although people say to me, I don't know how you could cook if you're not eating, I actually find that it helps me, to have the the sight of food, the smell of food, the texture. Like I've had some kind of an experience with food today. So, I didn't eat it, I smelled it and was part of making it. So, anyway, that might sound weird to you, but it works for me. I've started thinking about certain things that I want to make when I stop fasting. So, it's a little early to be thinking like that. I've still got 20 days to go, so I'm not even halfway there. But I'm feeling physically good. I'm a little bit hungry tonight, actually, to tell you the honest truth. Okay. Yeah, I'm okay. So, yeah, keep going with the electrolytes if you're fasting. Don't take a day off because you'll sure notice it if you do. Um, Stay warm. You do. So um, this morning I led an online session for 2.5 hours. Had lots of mental energy to do that. Saw family. Um, did a bit of grocery shopping for my mom, and yeah, made some food, watched some television, did a little bit of work on the computer. But Saturday, so that's cool. So yeah, day 10, we're done. Thanks everyone.